followers. I made this video last night. I did this once live. But now I'm doing it live and recording at the same time. Good thing I have like multiple devices for this. But okay. I'm in my boyfriend's channel on Zello. And so you guys can see what Zello looks like. It looks like this. That's what Zello looks like. So I hope you guys enjoy the fun that I'm gonna have right now. And turn on my hello. There we go. I am 22 years old.
You better check. You need a light, babe.
That was my boyfriend that just keyed up there.
Really, babe? You're making me. Wow, honey.
So yeah, I'm 22 years old. Thanks for that little laughing emoji, awesome American there. So please enjoy the fun. Sorry, YouTube followers, I am making this live, broadcasting it live while recording this. So if you hear me say some comments, that's why. All right, let's do this again.
Wow, honey. I think you need to check your. Yeah, I think you need to check your pants.
Oh, he always makes jokes like that. Gosh, that one actually hurt my lips there. There is one person on here on the app that has not said anything. I'm kind of shocked she hasn't yet.
Wow, you need a diaper wipe now. I mean, a wipe now. What did I say that for? I'm picking on you.
Oh god. Yeah, as you can see, my boyfriend can be funny. Yeah. So yeah, if you have any comments for me to say, like key up and say in the channel, please leave them in a little chat there, and I will say something. I'll try to say if there's no swears. Person that does not swear, so please try to keep it nice. Smiley faces. Oh, not much awesome American there. Honestly, this video is just me making jokes on this walkie-talkie app. As you saw earlier. If you have something you want me to say to the chat. Oh god. Oh god. Oh gosh.
They're that son now.
My house, come on, turn it up.
That's the one I'm talking about that I'm shocked hasn't said anything about me farting. I'm pretending to fart, actually.
Here's that. This is this. You're gonna fit in. You know where I live.
Sorry, This song is kind of cool. I like it. Tell me that you want to go to my house. Hi there, Marie Maribel, or whatever, however you say that. But hi there. Good song, AKA Mrs. Young Fly. Sorry. I can't believe I did that. Oopsies.
Yep.
She can be crazy. To my house. Oh gosh. No, she can be crazy. Thanks for the baby bottles there. Hey, Judy. There. If you like it, please give me some hearts. Give me some likes, please. I would appreciate it, but if not, that's fine too. Let's see how this goes. Thank you. Oh, sorry about the noise in the background there. Game.
You need to check your pants, baby.
Phone. There. Didn't know the number. That's why I was doing that. Sorry. I think I already went in them.
Oh, honey.
Oh gosh.
Oh, babe. Wow, son, really, honey.
Oh, no, he's probably no. Okay, that is my. He's not my real son. He's my Zello's son-in-law. So, my son, Zello's son. I mean, it's a walkie-talkie app, so that's why I say Zello.
Babe, I think you need to check your pants there, baby girl.
I already think I went in my pants. Yeah, I mean, this is like something fun I like to do. Make YouTube videos like this. Also on YouTube, if you type in Rosebud, here I'll put it in the chat, so you can try to find me. Type in Rosebud, and you shouldn't be able to find me under this. If you look that up, you might find me, and you might find more funny YouTube videos that I have made. This is just something I like to do live. I mean, like tonight, it's very dead. I bet if you guys gave me something funny to maybe say that you can think of, it might pick up a little bit. But who knows? I could use any help I can get because my cheeks are going to hurt from doing this too much. Thanks, Deadline Dork there. Or I think is how you pronounce your name, but thank you for saying that. I'm great.
Wow, babe. I think you need a baby wife for that one.
Just in case you guys didn't hear if you couldn't hear what he said, boyfriend said, he said, I think you need a baby wipe for that one, babe. Oh gosh. He's funny too.
That would sound like a wet one, no, honey.
Oh god. I'm sorry guys. I'm having a hard time doing this without laughing. Cause
Sis, does it sound like that would sound like a wet one?
okay. Marie Mariles, I have a question for you. Just type it back, your answer to me, please.
Picking on you, baby.
Do you have Zello? It's spelled Zello. Do you have that or no? Huh. Thanks, Dream Girl. I appreciate it. I appreciate the follow.